Hi everyone, welcome back to our Java classes. So today our concept is non-primitive data types. As we discussed primitive data types in the previous class, now we are going to discuss the non-primitive data types. Actually, what are non-primitive data types? Non-primitive data types are such as string, arrays, classes, interfaces. These are all comes under non-primitive data types. Okay. Now, non-primitive data types are also called as reference types because they refer to objects. So as the first point said like that. Okay. Next one, the main difference between the primitive and non-primitive is primitives are predefined. Predefined in the sense they are already in the Java system. Okay. They are already defined in Java. Okay. So non-primitive types are created by the programmer. Okay. The programmer going to create it himself. Okay. The programmer creating his own. So those are called non-primitive data types except strings. Strings are defined in the Java. Okay. Next, non-primitive. Yes, it is here. Non-primitive types can be used to call methods to perform certain operations, while primitives cannot do that type of job. Okay, so where we use non-primitive methods for calling reference. Okay, these are the used to call methods to perform certain actions, but we cannot use the primitive data types to do the job. Okay, next, a primitive type has always a value, while non-primitive type can be null. So whenever you are defining a primitive value, you should give a value to it. Okay, but comes to a non-primitive, if you are not given any value, the default value is null here. Okay, that is the main point here. Next one, a primitive type starts with the lowercase letter. So as I told you, right, int, float, long, double, everything is starting with the lowercase letter. But here, non-primitive starts with the uppercase letter. Non-primitive starts with the uppercase letters. Next one. The size of primitive depends upon the data type. Yes. So in the previous video, I tried to applying the long value to the short. Is it accepting? No, right? So that is the matter here. Size of the primitive type depends on the data types. Yes. So next thing, the non-primitive types have all same size. Every non-primitive data type same size. Okay, constant sizes. They have certain sizes. So these are the example for non-primitive strings, arrays, classes, interfaces. So these are some examples of non-primitive. So we are going with one example. So let us move with the Eclipse. Yes. So right. See here. So I am going to create one class again. New class. The class name is non-primitive. Non-primitive. So why should I give? Okay, non-primitive. So I want to check this box, then finish. Yes. So my new class is created. That is my non-primitive class is created. See now, what do I do here? So first of all, I will explain you string, how to declare a string. Okay. As we told, non-primitive data type starts with a capital letter. So string also starts with a capital letter. Okay. String, my string, my string equals to, you should give in the double quotes, that is Anjit Gaud. Okay, right, it is my name, so I am giving it in the string. So at the end of the statement you should give the semicolon, then only it is correct syntax. Okay, now I want to print that on the console. So yes, now what I do here, that is my string, my string, I need to give you my string. Okay, so it is right. If I execute this, it will give the my name as output. Yes, you can see here. Yeah, so in this way we should declare a string. Okay, so now I will change a little bit here. That is, so I need to change a little bit. That is hello. Hello. So it will ask me if I try to print this, it is showing hello 1 GB. So whatever the name, whatever the string you given, it will add hello. Okay. So this is a small technique you need to know this. Then if I want to know the length of the string. For suppose what is the length of this my string here. So we have one method for that to find the length, that is, so we should write here length of the string is, so I need to, so length of the string, it is, I need to keep it in the wrap with the double quotes here also. Yes, I wrapped with the double quotes. Then so the method is variable. What is the variable I given there? My string. My string, right? Yes. My string dot length. My string dot length parenthesis open close. Yes, it is here. Yes, it is recommendations. It is showing in the recommendations. So it is fine now. But still we are getting an error. Why? Because here something went wrong, right? Here dot length. Okay. So string dot length. So everything is fine. Hello, this is a string. I need to forget here. Append concatenate. So if I concatenate, then it will reflect the length of the string. So see here length of the string is reflected on the console. So what is it is 9. So you can count it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in the length it will count the spaces also, white spaces also it will counts. So then only the length is here 9. Okay. So in this way you can check the length of the string. Okay. So this is about strings. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.